My name is Dennis Grifoni and welcome to How to Deploy QNAP TS453A for business use. I'm recording this video for personal training and it will take about 20 minutes. During this video I will also provide to you a brief overview of the RAID algorithm that I will use during the setup. This video is the best view for level 1 or level 2 engineer. So, let's start. From the QNAP website, I'm going to download the QNAP Finder Pro for Windows. I'm going to install the QNAP Finder Pro for Windows tool that I will use for the initial discovery of the QNAP device on my local network. And after the initial broadcast, you can see the device name, the device IP, the device type, and the firmware version. And as you can see, the TurboNAS server has not been initialized yet. For this video, I'm going to use the business use that will install only the essential services. For this video, I'm going to leave the default NAS name, and I found really useful the show password checkbox. Just remember to enter a unique and clear name for the NAS in order to identify it quickly on the network, and also use a strong and documented password if the device is put in production. I'm going to leave the default IP address provided by the DHCP. I usually configure the disk during the installation. With this QNAP device, you have 3 default volume layout. You can create a static volume, a thick volume, and a thin volume. I strongly suggest to spend time to study and understand the best volume layout for your storage. I've also added from the VMware Educational Services a possible explanation about thick and thin provisioning. For this video, I'm going to leave thick volume as a default. With this QNAP device, you can choose between 4 different RAID types. And also QNAP provide a basic guide where to understand the best RAID topology for you. For a device in production, I strongly recommend a RAID 6 volume, eventually a RAID 10 volume. If possible for you, do not use a RAID 5 volume. I always suggest to go on Google and search for TR1020TL. In this Dell EMC Pirate Series storage, you can understand the RAID policy under normal and failure condition and selecting the appropriate policy for any array. As you can see, RAID 6 minimizes the risk of data loss during a RAID reconstruction, and also this recommendation strongly encourages all customers when choosing a RAID policy for their arrays. And as I said, RAID 5 should only be used for non-critical data or to accommodate older system. And as I said, RAID performance and availability are directly affected during a rebuild and reconstruction. So the time for reconstruction increases the potential for a second disk failure, which exposes the vulnerability of the data on the array. And before to finish, please have a look on the reliability score for RAID 6 volume. One of the reasons why RAID 5 is a so popular algorithm is about the available space provided on a storage pool. As you can see, a RAID 6 has a lower available space on a storage pool because of the double parity check. For this video I'm going to use a RAID 0, it means maximum performance, maximum space available, no safety, 100% risk. And after a full overview, I'm going to click to apply for the new volume creation. Without editing, the full installation will require more than 10 minutes. And here we are at the first logon on this QNAP device. As you can see, QNAP is not responsible for loss or damage of your data pertaining to participation of the beta program. Participants are advised to backup critical data in advance, and also QNAP is not responsible for damage to your product that arise during the beta program. So, if your device will be put in production, I strongly recommend to not join the beta program. And as a fresh and new installation, I have a newer firmware version patch available for download. I really appreciate the bug fixes list that QNAP is providing to their customers. I usually suggest, before to do any kind of firmware upgrade on your device, a full backup of all your personal data to another external device. And after the full backup, I strongly recommend, before to do a new firmware upgrade, a fresh and clean restart of your device, just to verify that each services are able to stop and start correctly, especially if your device is working from a long period of time without restart. And again, always, before to do a firmware upgrade, do a full backup of your data. And here a brief overview of all the functionality provided by QNAP. And before to finish this video, here the event notification we had during the installation. And also a new and nice dashboard interface, providing a quick overview of the status of your device. And we are now at the end of this video, in which I'm going to shut down this device that I will use later with iSCSI session connected to different Microsoft and VMware hypervisor. And we are at the end of this video, so thank you very much for your time, and if you want to be in touch with me, just subscribe on my channel. Bye!